We were hoping for the start out of this machine today. We put a new oil pipe on to replace the plastic crappy one that would come with the machine. This is the original 8th oil pipe, absolute junk. So managed to get a proper copper one off eBay, managed to get some pipe fittings. We just cranked the engine over now, we've got good oil pressure. The heater plugs are working. The starter motor is still no good, which is a bit disappointing. I was hoping to get a run out of this today and film it running, but we've just taken the motor back off and done an inspection on the solenoid. This was supposedly sort of not completely reconditioned but repaired and tested, but that's all that's been done is the terminals have been changed, but the disc inside you can see is actually cooked, and one of the poor thing didn't want to go. So I tried to cut corners, didn't work. It's going to be done professionally now. I'll take it down to where they usually get my motors done. So a bit disappointing today. I was hoping to film the machine running and maybe even moving, but as you can see, the contact disc on the solenoid is absolutely fried, and this always was renewed on the was the 2 studs, was that one there for the casing. So I suspect the field coils have gone down as well, it's taking that much amps. So we got one stage forward, but a bit disappointed. This item here was one of the bits I had a bit of confidence in, and it turns out this is the right pain. This is about the 5th time it's been off. So it was not even cleaned in there. Look at the dust in there, see it. So it was just a bit of a bod's job, looks like. So another lesson learned: if you want things done properly, take it to a proper place. So I hope to get it down to shorts maybe next week, and I'll take the spare RB one with me and see what they think of that. So that's it for today. Till next time.